Hello guys, how are you? It's me back, Ayan Hakeem, and today we are gonna unbox a block set. So this block set name is Architect Brick Toys. The number is 3111 and this is my Christmas gift of my mom and dad. This is a plane. We can make another fighter plane and submarine. This is very cool. So let's unbox it out and see what is inside. After trying for a few times, it finally pushed and opened. Now let's see what is inside. The first thing you can see is a big bulky cardboard box with lots of Lego pieces. As you can see, some are technical, some are not, some are big and some are small. Now you can see the instructions. As you guys know, this is all the Architect sets you can do. So I have this one, and that's all. So let's start. Time to open the instructions and see what is in there. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and on and on. It looks very good to me. It looks so good. Then now it's time to open the back. I'm going to put the pieces in this box. That looks so cool. This is bag 1, the big pieces. This. Now let's open the second bigger pack.
When the lights go out, I'm down to one last break, but I can't stop now.
This is all we got all of those types. Now let's open the little Technic items. I just spread it out. Let me just quickly pick it up. And last but not least, the small pieces. Let's open that up for details. As you guys know, we are done for this set. I'm gonna post another video showing you what we build after I finish. Thank you guys, bye bye.